just wanted to shoot a video to show how the strategy would work trading other contracts. In this case, this is the 6E on a 233 tick chart. If I were to start analyzing at 6 a.m., have first fib with a 76.4% line broke. Now in this case there are no rules as to what the minimum distance or maximum distance must be between pivots. Something I've not figured out yet. Just want to show how it trades to using my levels for entry and for stop and profit target. Okay, here once again would have broken through the 76.4% line. Okay, then coming into the US market open, price bounced off the 50% line up to the 23.6% line for 10 ticks. It then went above the 0% line right here, so a new fib from here to here. As you can see, it bounced one tick above the 50% level and back again to negative 23.6. So let's see if we draw a new fib from here to here. Then it does trade to the 50% level and back through the 0% level, so another 4 ticks here. Okay, then another fib from this pivot high, this pivot low to this pivot high. Now as you can see, the distance here is just 3 ticks, so it's probably not worth taking, and the distance here is 4 ticks. So you'd know that the profit target would be 2 ticks here and 5 ticks here, so no trade there. Then price breaks through the 76.4% line. Okay, so you draw a new fib here, goes to negative 23.6 and back to 0. So we draw another fib down, we move the 0% line to here. Okay, then price breaks the negative 23.6 level, breaks negative 50. So we draw an extended price fib from this previous low to the most recent low, which would have been here. Price trades through the 0% level, back up to the 23.6 retracement level, then again to the 0% level, back up to 23.6, move the 0% line. Okay, then it goes back up to the 50% level, trades through it, bounces back down to 23.6, back to 50, through 23.6. So we've gotten a fill right here, 43.34, and then it's noon Eastern. So it would have given a total of 3 trades, the 6E, for a 20 tick profit, 20 tick total gain right here. Now looking at the Russell 2000 on a 377 tick chart, this gets a little bit trickier. Analyzing pre-market hours, you can see price trades to 50%, then back up. So draw a new fib from here to here. Okay, trades through the 50% level, so you could take an entry here. Then first target would have been filled right here. So that's a 13 tick profit right there. Goes up to 0%. So draw a new fib from this low to this high. Gets close to the 50% level, then breaks the 23.6. So you can just my fib tool doesn't work for this right here because it was designed especially for the ES, although we could use the calculator. Just give me a moment. Okay, so we have 780.4 minus 779.3. It's 1.1 times 0.75. That's 0.83. So down to 779.60. It went down to 779.70. So we would move the 0% level up to here. Then we'd get an entry here at 780. Target would be filled here. So that would be another 12 ticks. Okay, then as you can see, price does not get back up to the 0% level, breaks the 76.4% level. So draw a fib in the opposite direction. Goes down to negative 23.6. Then retraces to the 23.6 level. So move the 0% line. Get an entry here at 779.6. Get filled here. Okay, so that would be 14 ticks, that trade. Price then breaks through the 0% level here. So be drawing a new fib from that high to this low. Okay, trades through the 0% level to negative 23.6, then back up to the 0% level. Move my fib, get an entry here, 777.8, and get filled the target right here. Okay, so that would be 15 ticks. And then it's 12 noon. Okay, now looking at the Nasdaq on a 377 tick chart, analyzing what happened pre-market. Now a first fib here from here to here, broken. From here to here, 76.4% line breaks. So again a fib from here to here. Okay, now the first trade, if you were to take it right at the 50% level, it would be a loss. So this is a loss of 2 3/4 points. Okay, so an 11 tick loss. Price then breaks the 0% line. Okay, so we'll be drawing our fibs right here. Then it just consolidates in this area. Move it to here, back above the 0% level. I mean, by this time, this probably looks quite extended. No, even though the distance between the 76.4% line and the 50% line is 3 1/4 points. In the Nasdaq contract, where it's $5 a tick, that's not much, but you know the price has extended too much here. I mean, if you were to take that trade, you would take a loss right there. Okay, breaks the 76.4% level. So draw in the opposite direction. Then price moves back to the 50% level, bounces, gets to the target. So it's a 3 1/4 point. So you just make back what you lost on the other trade. And then it's noon Eastern, so you'd stop trading. Then on the YM, where it's also $5 a tick. Start analyzing pre-market hours. Okay, drawing the fibs. 76.4% line breaks. Okay, it doesn't retrace back to 50%, so we move the 0% line. It comes down to here. Let's check if that's 75% of the distance. So that's so 119.14 minus 11 would be 1193, 11903. So it does retrace down to 11903, breaks the 0% line. So you could draw a new fib from this low to the new high. Okay, you'd get filled here at 119.22. Take profit at 119.30. So that's an 8 tick profit. Just some $40. Goes back up. Now this is, we wouldn't consider this to be another move. It's just moving within the same fib. So just to move the line over there. You would not trade this because you already traded this level back there. Again, barely goes above 0% level. Then it breaks the 76.4% line. So I'd be looking to draw a fib in the opposite direction from here to here. It breaks the 0% line down to negative 23.6. Back up to 0. So I'd move the 0% line for here. Get a fill at 119.17. Then the target would be on 119.05. So you get fill there for a 12 tick profit. Then it goes below the 0% level, and then it's noon Eastern, so you'd stop trading. Okay, so here's a small spreadsheet showing the results. In the 6E there were 3 trades for a total of 20 tick gain. In the Russell there were 4 trades for a total gain of 54 ticks. On the Nasdaq index there were 3 trades for a total loss of 11 ticks, and in the YM there were 2 trades for a total gain of 20 ticks. Okay, so that means in the 6E, since each tick is $12.50, you would have a total profit of $250, total profit of $540 on the Russell, since it's $10 a tick, $5 a tick on the NQ, loss of $55, and $100 on the YM, since it's $5 a tick. So the total P&L would be $835, trading just one contract minus commissions. Okay, but again, this is without a rule that determines what's the minimum and maximum distance between pivots. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and it shows how you can trade using this method in other markets as well. Thank you for watching.